The next example of the show values as calculation is specific to the parent-child relationship, which is the hierarchy. Let's insert a pivot table and create the hierarchy with category and subcategory on rows, and still we are analyzing sales. I would like to calculate for the bookcases what is the share in the category, so in the parent element, which is the furniture. I would like to treat the furniture as my new 100%, and then the sum of the shares for every item on the product subcategory list should also account for 100% when summing up. So what we do, we right click it and check the other options that belong to show values as, like for example percentage of parent row total. After hitting this, you will see that actually I almost get what I need, because I can calculate right now 100% for my subcategories, and bookcases account for almost 16%, especially if I round the numbers just to whole numbers. But then the same rule has been applied to my categories, and this is not what I really wanted. So we need to have a look once again on the show values as, and have a look also on the percentage of parent total. This time we are choosing the base field. In our case, this is product category, and this field is going to always show 100%, but still the other calculations for the subcategory remain. And you can see also the grand total disappears because you don't have any base item for the grand total. Right now we can also think what would be the best way to visualize the data in here, and we can, for example, pick this time maybe two-dimensional bar chart and turn on the data labels once again, remove unnecessary elements as we did in the previous exercises. And what is more, we can also think of highlighting one of the elements. For example, I'm picking right now chairs, so double left click on the chairs subcategory, and because I want to highlight it, I can change the field, for example, to make this specific category stand out a bit. When working with charts and data visualization, always think in terms of sorting the data, and we can apply the sorting once again to create the ranking here. But as you can see on this bar chart, my chairs as the top subcategory is on bottom, so to change it, you either sort it ascending or you format the axis to show categories in reverse order to make the chairs stand out. The last element is the title, percentage share of subcategory inside category that equals 100%.